In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly incorporate SVG graphics into your Webflow project, enhancing both the aesthetics and functionality of your website. This is a great skill to master, whether you're customizing something unique or using SVGs to create scalable, crisp visuals for your web design. Let's dive in. First off, obtaining your SVG code is essential. If you're working with a design tool like Figma, you'll need to upload or drag your SVG file into your Figma document. Once it's there, simply right-click on the icon, and you'll see an option that says Copy as SVG. Go ahead and select that option. Now, if you're utilizing an SVG from an online library or from a saved file on your computer, open that SVG file in a text editor of your choice and copy the entire SVG code. One thing to note here is that an embed code is a premium feature in Webflow, so you will need to ensure you have the appropriate plan to use this functionality. Now, let's move into Webflow and add an embed element. Head over to your Webflow project. Look for the embed element. You'll find this under the Elements panel. It's as straightforward as dragging and dropping this element onto your canvas at the exact location you want your SVG to visually appear. Think of this step as creating a placeholder for your SVG within your web page layout. Next, it's time to paste the SVG code and make some modifications. Click on the embed element you've just placed, and you'll find settings characterized by a familiar cogwheel icon. Within these settings, you'll encounter a code editor. This is where you will paste the SVG code that you copied earlier. Once you've pasted it, don't forget to click Save and Close to ensure your changes are applied. Once your SVG is embedded, you can control its color dynamically using Webflow's typography styles. To do this, ensure you've selected the embed element containing your newly added SVG. In the Style panel located on the right sidebar, navigate to the Typography section. It might sound slightly counterintuitive, but here you'll want to adjust the color property. This change will dynamically set the SVG icon's color, making it consistent with the text color you've selected, including when hover states and interactions are applied, either to the embed element directly or its parent. By applying these steps, you'll not only have successfully integrated an SVG into your Webflow project, but you'll also have created an adaptable graphic that mirrors your site's design scheme effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Keep experimenting with Webflow to unlock new design potentials every day.